Okay, today's Gorilla Glue episode is brought to you by GE. Turn the knob on, push the start button, nothing. Checked a few things online, but then this one guy said that on the knob here it can get cracked and then it won't turn the dial. So I looked at it and it looks fine, so checked a few more things. And then, lo and behold, where is it? There was just a hairline crack. So I got out the Gorilla Glue, let it dry overnight, and I tried turning this dial. With that and that and that, and it wasn't really turning all that good. And it's pretty stiff, so I didn't want to strip it or anything like that, so I went and get the Gorilla Glue and glued it up. But then I still had to dry some clothes, so I just well, what the heck, here, let's pull off that one and put it on here. And sure enough, I was able to turn it and stop it. So let's just put that back on so I know where it is. Let's see if the Gorilla Glue holds out. There's that. Let's turn it. Hey, Gorilla Glue, glory to the Lamb.